Talk to my test app.
Sure, here's the test version of my test app.
I am your wish angel. What is your wish?
I wish 5 cars.
Oh my god, you wish 5 cars. Okay, I respect it. Do you really want it? I will remember your last wish. There are all your wishes, 5 cars.
I wish 1 coffee.
A coffee is a nice wish. Do you really want it? I will remember your last wish. There are all your wishes, 5 cars, 1 coffee.
I wish sugar.
How many sugar do you wish?
11.
Oh my god, you wish 11 sugar. Okay, I respect it. Do you really want it?
No.
Your wish went out.
Sure.
I remember all your wishes. It was 5 cars, 1 coffee.
Reset.
All wishes was deleted.
Show.
I cannot remember anything. Maybe you didn't wish anything yet.
And now reading and writing to database.
A wish from Firebase is ticket to the moon. New wish in Firebase is black coffee. New wish in Firebase is mild with coffee and team. New wish in Firebase is flowers for Czechitas. A wish from Firebase is flowers for Czechitas.
Okay, thank you.